today it's your birthday. Bishop Bal, nahimugso ka ning kalibutan na ining adlaw, February 14. O gigamit ka sa Ginoo sa ministry. You are the gift of the ministry of LA Global Church. Gamiton pa ka sa Ginoo, Bishop, hantod sa iyang pagbalik. O nag-ampo ako, more blessing, more victory, more healing in your life. Medyo kapasagdan sa Ginoo, Bishop. Millions of angels naguban kanimo. Again, happy birthday. More birthday to come in your life. Many cake slice and with lechon baboy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bishop. Happy birthday, Bishop. Happy birthday, Bishop Bal.
Happy birthday, Daddy Bishop. From your beloved and your pinalangga nimo